Hello my lucky charms, welcome to my channel where arts and crafts pave the way for love, peace and positivity. It's a brand new week and I've got a fresh craft project to share with you. Ta-da! I stumbled upon this gem at my local Winners. It's called the Make My Daisy Pencil Pouch Needlepoint Kit and I snug it for around $13, I think. Now, I'll be honest, I'm no longer in school, so a pencil pouch isn't exactly on my must-have list. But hey, creativity knows no bounds. I'm thinking of popping it into my bag and using it for stashing small accessories or whatever else I need. Time to unbox it. Alright, let's see what's inside. We've got an embroidery template, some fabric, a pair of embroidery needles, 10 threads in various colors, a zipper, and of course, the instructions. Okay, here we got 2 orange, 2 white, 3 purple and 3 pink. Now here's the kicker. The zipper feels a bit on the cheap side and they've only provided 1 piece of fabric. What's the deal with the inner liner though? Well, we'll have to roll with it and see how it turns out. I won't sugarcoat it, folks. I've had to edit out quite a few attempts because the instructions are about as clear as mud. I was utterly lost. So I turned to trusty Google for guidance, but I couldn't even find this kit online. In the end, I borrowed techniques from other kits to get my embroidery game going. The struggle was real. The second row turned out better, but honestly, I'm still not sure if I'm doing it right. It looks alright though. With one down, there are 7 more to go. This step isn't even in the instructions. I've got a mess of loose threads here and I'm at a loss for what to do. So I'm just gonna glue them all down. Frankly, I think it would be better if they included an inner fabric layer to tidy things up, but alas, this kit didn't provide one. Now, let's piece it all together. Once again, the instructions didn't offer a clear roadmap for this part. So I'm just winging it and doing what seems right. Fold it over. Oh boy, it's not looking great. I don't think I did a stellar job, especially towards the end. My patience is wearing thin, and let's not even talk about those unhelpful instructions. It looks possible on the outside, but the inside is a different story. But let's give a credit where it's due. It can still serve its purpose. It holds things together nicely. And on the positive note, I did enjoy the embroidery part. It's almost therapeutic. However, beyond that, thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, stay lucky. Bye!